Welcome to Devil's Racetrack!
Hi everyone, the Shiraboom 87 YouTube channel. It's our third day on dirt road with Red Rock four-wheelers, featuring the Easter Jeep Safari 2020Cs. Welcome to Devil's Racetrack. Rolling down the line, 70 miles an hour, the hum of the highway, the desert in the rear view, a steel spine of interstate, a ribbon through the sand. All that matters is the road until we touch the land. West of Green River, the swells rise in the mist, jagged sandstone walls, a silent stubborn twist. We look up, we check the gauge, we drive on through the day, but a sign lights up, exit 321 in a neon blaze. A detour from the thunder, a gravel road to take. We cut the asphalt, let the engine's pulse break, a secret path beneath the hum of freight. We're stepping off the rails into the shadowed gate. We drive our truck into the darkness, a metal corridor. The underpass hums like a secret lore. Below the roaring line, a world we conquer. Metal hearts racing. We're the Midnight Rovers. Dust clings to the chrome, headlights carve the night. Every mile a story, every turn a fight. We hear the distant roar, a promise in the wind. The desert whispers, keep on, keep on. The road bends like a snake, slick with rain of stars. We twist the throttle, feel the pulse of bars. The world outside fades, the night inside glows. We're chasing horizons that no map knows. We drive our truck into the darkness, a metal corridor. The underpass hums like a secret lore. Below the roaring line, a world we conquer. Metal hearts racing. We're the Midnight Rovers. Steel and sweat, the nights are canvas. We paint our legend on the open canvas. The wind sings the engine's lullaby. Thank you for your inspiring comments and never-ending support to our channel Shiraboom 87. For the new viewers, thank you for watching our videos. To be updated on our future epic adventures, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to be updated on our upcoming videos.